Hi everyone. In our last video, we understand the wiring of automatic star-delta starter. Today, I'm going to show you how to wire a manual star-delta starter without a timer. Let's get straight into the video. The main components. For this setup, we need 5 main parts. An MCB for protection, start and stop buttons, and 3 contactors, main, star, and delta. Now understand the wiring step by step. Step 1. The basics: neutral and main power. First, bring your power into the MCB. From there, take your neutral wire and connect it directly to the A2 terminal of main contactor. Now for the phase. Connect your live wire to terminal 95 of the overload relay. From terminal 96, run it to your stop button, and then over to the start button. Step 2. The star contactor and interlocking. Next, we'll wire the star contactor. Take the output from the start button and run it through the NC, normally closed, terminal of the delta contactor. This is our safety interlock. From the other side of that NC terminal, connect it to A1 terminal on the star contactor and then connect neutral wire to A2 terminal. Step 3. Holding the circuit. To keep the star contactor running, connect its NO, normally open, terminal to the main contactor's A1. Then, jump a wire from the stop button output to the other side of that NO terminal. Now, do the same for the main contactor holding. Link its NO terminal to A1 and connect it back to the stop button output. This ensures the system stays latched once you press the start button. Step 4. Delta contactor connection. Finally, for the delta contactor, loop NO and NC terminal of the star contactor, and then connect the NC terminal of the star contactor to the A1 terminal of the delta contactor and then connect neutral wire to A2 terminal. This ensures that star and delta can never run at the same time. Wiring is completed. Let's see how start delta starter without timer works. First, flip the MCB to turn on. Power is now flowing through the circuit. When we press and hold the start button, 2 things happen. The main contactor and the star contactor both turns on. You'll see the motor begin to run in a star connection. Keep an eye on the circuit. As soon as we release the button, approximately after 5 to 10 seconds, the star contactor drops out. The delta contactor takes over. Now, the motor is running at full speed in a delta connection. To stop everything, simply hit the stop button. Finally, switch off the MCB to safely cut the power. And that is how a manual star-delta starter works. If this helped you understand the wiring, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more electrical videos, and I'll see you in the next one.